Hey, what's going on, guys? I've been playing with AI a lot. I actually like the space. I think there's a lot of cool tools for content creators. A lot of people are scared of it, but I like it. I want to introduce a pretty cool tool. So I finished my vending machine book, link in the bio, shameless plug, but I'm going to be doing some promo. And what's cool about Vidyo.ai is that you can take YouTube videos and you can turn them into you can actually turn them into like short form videos. So even though this video is from a while ago, all I have to do is just copy this. You can upload files. It has to be at least 3 minutes. So if I go here to mine, you get 75 free minutes of upload. So I think this video is probably like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna put in the link. I'm gonna start the import, and then it'll let me know I'm gonna want it for portrait. You can also make like YouTube clips, and it just takes. So I'm gonna pick out 3 different formats that I like. So I like just this format, and I like, I don't need the double. That's like if you have a podcast or 2 people. I don't like the green, I like this white one. So boom, pick those, Instagram handles, boom, and then just go to my dashboard. Now it takes a few minutes. Oh, this minute's 25, so that's a longer video. It's gonna turn into about a minute video. So I've been playing with them, so I'm only gonna have 35 minutes, 35 minutes left since that one was longer. But I've uploaded all of these, and I didn't necessarily like the kids one because it only showed the beginning. But what's cool is it took a YouTube video that's 6 minutes, and then I can go to preview clip, and I could pick from any of these. I like this one because it fits in the box. These don't show everything going on. So like this, I like this format. Oops. So you can pick which one you like. I liked this one the most, and I can just download it. So it made this. It took, a few seconds. They'll send you an email when it's ready. It takes a few minutes, but AI's doing it. So it took a 6-minute video and turned it to a minute video. So if you're interested in AI, there's a lot of cool stuff for content creators. So this one's Vidyo.ai. You upload either YouTube videos or any clip that you have in your I'm on my desktop. I haven't tried to use it on my phone. I'll try that next, but stay tuned for more cool AI stuff. And if you start seeing videos drop, you'll know that I'm using AI. So what's cool about this is if you go on sites and try to get someone to do this, it's $15. So I just saved $15. I just repurposed my content. I'm a very busy person, so now I'm able to create content in minutes that would normally take a while. So let's go back to my dashboard. So it's still loading, but I'm actually gonna fix this one. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna edit it. So it's put Vend. My business is Vend Boys. And then I'm gonna download the video, and now I have a video. So, boom. So now, boom, my video's right here. And now I can put this all on. It's not playing. Now I can put this all on YouTube. I can put this on TikTok. I can use it as a short on YouTube. So this way I can promote my book projects and different things. Only took me 10 seconds, 30 seconds to create it, and then it does its thing, but I don't even need to be logged in. It'll just send me an email when it's ready. So use AI to your advantage. Learn it now while it's new. We've seen what happened with crypto. We've seen what happened in a lot of different spaces. Early adapters won. This is part of the culture. If you have any questions, slide in the DM. Check out my new book. The link is in my bio. I'm out.